everyone, welcome to the fifth lecture of our vocabulary series called NEWFANGLED. Today we are going to study some words which you can use in place of crying. अगर आप इतने उदास हो that you have burst into tears, you have reduced yourself to tears, तो उस जगह पर हम क्या words use कर सकते हैं? The first one is ball. The child could not find his mother, so he started bawling. Weep or weeping. Then we have screech. Don't do this to me. This is so disheartening. And then she started screeching. Yawning. The child was hit by the wall and she is yawning now. Whimpering. Cried fretfully. After she got the rejection from the university she wanted to get admission in, she cried fretfully. Scream. Scream का मतलब है when you are shouting and crying. Shriek. A shock which leads to crying. Bleating. As the doctor started to give injection to the child, he started bleating. Sobbing. Wailing. Lament. Sniped. Now let's look at some of the idioms for sad. The first one is cry one's eyes. Then we have heart out. Crying drunk. Someone is getting drunk and crying, or is drunk and then crying. Cry like a baby. Oh, come on, stop it. Don't cry like a baby. Cry oneself to sleep. She was so tired and dejected yesterday that she cried herself to sleep. Cry your eyes out. Stop, let it bother you so much. You have cried your eyes out. Cry like a banshee. Cry the blues. मैं आपको पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था that the word blue has a negative connotation, has a sad connotation with it. So cry the blues का मतलब है that you are so sad कि आप उस sadness की वजह से आप रो रहे हो. Cry me a river. Come on, it was just a pencil head. You have started crying a river. To cry crocodile tears इसका मतलब है कि आप झूठा रो रहे हो, नकली रो रहे हो. The child wanted to get ice cream in spite of having cold. The father denied, so he started crying crocodile tears. Cry over spilt milk. Now this idiom means कि आप किसी ऐसी चीज के ऊपर उदास हो या रो रहे हो जो आप वापस से ठीक नहीं कर सकते हो. What has done in the past, it's completed. Now you cannot change it. Cry into one's beer. This is rather a very funny idiom that she has been scolded by her boss today. She is definitely going to cry into her beer today. To break down and cry. When she got to know that her best friend was cheating on her, she broke down and started crying. To cry fall. Cry off. Cry out for something. The child wanted a particular bag. तो बच्चा क्या करेगा? The child will cry out for that bag. The girl wanted, let's say, a lipstick. She cried out for lipstick. Cry wolf. Cry wolf means to raise a false alarm. जैसे वो शेर आया वाली कहानी है, you can relate it with that. Okay, so it's the activity time. As you already know, you have to write a sentence with one of your favorite word or idiom from the lecture and post it in the comment section below. Make sure that it has no plagiarism. One more thing, guys, there are Unacademy lectures going on for students of class 9, subject social science at 12 p.m. and 2:30. And if we have anyone who wants to take Unacademy's Plus subscription, this is my code MS43. You can use this code and get extra 10% discount on the amount. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for watching. One more thing, Wattpad के ऊपर इट्समाही नाम से एक प्रोफाइल है. You can check it out and read some amazing stories written by her. You can join the Telegram to get the PDF of the lecture. Thank you for watching, guys.